There's a couple things that make Pathways unique. One, choice. Students immediately value the choice. They value the fact that we, as a school, as a Dearborn, respect what they want to do. From there, the ability to have interdisciplinary classes allows students to see that disciplines are connected. There's nowhere in the real world where you just do math. It's the only thing you're gonna do is math, or the only thing you're gonna do is just read. It allows students to see, hey, my reading is impacting my programming skills, or it's impacting my ability to understand technical documents in engineering. And that allows kids to see that their education is actually connected.
Pathways essentially takes young people that are interested in STEM careers, gives them exposure to experiential learning opportunities while they're here at Dearborn STEM Academy through engagement with our industry partners, engagement with professionals, engagement with higher education institutions, and works with them through not only high school into college, but also into careers.
We're now seeing a lot of our students, again, take early college courses. Our 3 pathways are a tremendous asset to us. I think students are aligning themselves in those 3, health science, computer science, and engineering. I think those are the kind of the jobs that are at the forefront of what 21st century learning looks like.
I think one of the things that I'd like to highlight and that we appreciate about our partnership with Dearborn is the flexibility and the creativity that Dearborn brings to this work. There are so many ways in which I think we would all benefit from blurring the lines between this linear path from middle school, high school, college, job, that I think is a rote way of thinking that doesn't really work in terms of the way that people live their lives, the way that our families are living, and the way that a lot of first generation college students or potential college students are really thinking about their lives in a much more integrated way. And so we appreciate the flexibility, the forethought, and really the cutting edge thinking that Dearborn brings to this work, all in service of getting more people through education in a way that empowers them with well-paying jobs, exciting careers, and a sense of pride that they are contributing to changing the trajectory of their whole household and communities.
You see how my school is just better than yours? See, we got all these type of pathways. I'm just gonna be somewhere in life. We got engineering, we got health, we got computer science. We got it all for real. We just real scientific. This is a STEM school. We like that for real, and it's just real fun.